Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So SABC1's beloved drama series has announced the return of Rachel Kunutu and Maroti Mapuruma. You guys, now in a press release it was shared that a season 13 of Scheme Some near is finale. Viewers can look forward to an unexpected twist. Rather, season 13 centered on the Kunutu, the Khomu, and the Mabutla families have been a dramatic and turbulent journey. Now, after a hiatus since June 2020, Lesego Marakala is warmly welcomed back to Scheme Some family as she reprises her much-loved role of Rachel Kunutu. She expressed her joy at returning to the show. It feels good to be back. It's not only about me, but also about my supporters who appreciates my craft. They've been asking me when will I be returning to Scheme Some, and I'm happy to say that they'll see me back on screen very soon. Rachel, the original Slay Queen and true pioneer of the soft life movement, makes an abrupt return to Turfloop after being away for a few years. We all know that where there is Rachel, drama is not far behind, which begs for the question, where has she been all this time? On her return from the 10th of June 2025, the press release said, now Turf Talent Extravaganza founder and profitable printing company entrepreneur Maroti Mapuruma, who is also Rachel's husband, which is portrayed by Max Papo, will also be returning on screen from June the 13th, 2025. He said, I'm very excited to be back and I look forward to telling more compelling stories. He said that, speaking of course to a publication called Daily Sun.
Wait again. Mukha o ke video hanyane le.